How to blow your nose without causing damage or more congestion. Nasal congestion can stem from various causes, including 1. Upper respiratory infections, common cold, flu. 2. Allergies, pollen, food. 3. Sinusitis. 4. Inner ear problems. Your sinuses are air-filled spaces that connect to your nasal cavity. When they become inflamed or infected, they can cause significant discomfort and congestion. Eustachian tubes and their role. Eustachian tubes connect the middle ear to the back of the nasal cavity. Their functions include 1. Ventilation, balancing pressure between the middle ear and the external environment. 2. Protection, preventing nasal secretions and bacteria from entering the middle ear. 3. Drainage, allowing secretions to drain from the middle ear into the throat. Risks of forceful nose blowing. Forceful blowing of the nose can 1. Push mucus carrying bacteria into the sinuses, leading to sinus infections. 2. Push bacteria into the Eustachian tubes, causing ear infections. 3. Rupture small blood vessels, leading to nosebleeds. 4. Potentially damage the eardrum. Proper nose blowing technique. Steps to blow your nose correctly. Use a tissue properly. Cover both nostrils with a tissue. 1. Blow gently. Close one nostril by pressing it shut with your finger. 2. Gently blow through the other nostril. Gently blow through the other nostril. Repeat for the other nostril. Avoid forceful blowing. If nothing comes out, don't blow harder. Forceful blowing can exacerbate inflammation and push mucus further into the sinuses or ears. Additional techniques to clear nasal congestion. 1. Nasal massage. Squeeze the middle part of your nose below the bone, release, and repeat 15-20 times to stimulate mucus flow. Nasal septum mobilization. Left side. Use your left thumb to push up under the left cheekbone and use the other fingers to pull across. Right side. Use your right thumb to push up under the right cheekbone and use the other fingers to pull across. This technique helps to open up the nasal passages quickly. Remedies to assist with nasal congestion. 1. Saline. Solution. Use saline nasal spray to moisten and clear nasal passages. 2. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from hot water with added eucalyptus, peppermint, or menthol to open sinuses. 3. Warm compress. Apply a warm compress over the nasal area and sinuses for 3-5 minutes to help thin mucus and promote drainage. Conclusion. By using the proper nose blowing technique and additional methods to alleviate congestion, you can effectively clear your nasal passages without causing harm. Share these techniques with friends, family, and children to promote healthier practices.